friends, good morning. Welcome to another rainy Saturday morning. And it is already 10 a.m. in the morning, guys. Welcome. I hope you will start your day right. And yeah, ayun. So I already made pancake and we're going to eat now. Ang tagal maluto. Yeah, because it's banana oatmeal pancake. You can rush cooking a pancake. Right? My browns. So, ayun. So, I don't know what am I gonna do today, but I just want to quickly share this to all of you guys. I don't know if you can see, but the pachinko is already open. Today is Saturday. Yan, marami ng mga cars outside. I think may area kasi na in-announce na nililift na yung state of emergency dito sa Japan, but sa work namin sinabi na hindi pa rin dito sa Gifu area. We still need to be cautious, need to wear mask, check our temperature before going to work. Ayan. So yeah, we are not still allowed to go to Aichiken. Ayan. So we need still to be cautious, but for like 2 weeks, I guess, 2 weeks na nawala yung pachinko and now they are back. So, today we will be making banana oatmeal pancake. So, here's our ingredients. Banana. These are small bananas. I think I'm gonna add 1 more banana. So, 4 bananas all in all. Then 2 eggs. Our oatmeal, which is an organic pure oats. Yeah. This is like instant, by the way, guys. You cannot use yung rolled oats, pero pwede naman, but you need to grind it para fine siya. You need a fine textured oats, and then our cinnamon. Yung kulang na lang is yung vanilla, but naghanap kami kagabi ng vanilla, but walang vanilla, so yan na lang. Okay lang naman din na walang vanilla. It just adds aroma to our pancake, but since we don't have banana, well, it's fine. So let's get started. And here's our banana oatmeal pancake with coffee, butter. Itadakimasu. Now let's eat. Try our pancake. So good. I miss the stage. Kahit wala siyang vanilla, but still masarap. Masarap yung butter kasi, tapos May cinnamon din. Yeah, cinnamon.
Tastes good.
Twing, twing, twing. For the first time and forever, I will be eating spam. But this is not spam. This is... Ano ni?
Japanese style.
Ano tawag na? Luncheon meat. Ano na? Beef meat. Meat. Basta parang spam pero Japanese brand. It's not the brand spam. And corn soup. Pork luncheon meat. Yeah. Tulip brand pork luncheon meat pala, sabi ni Rocky. And with the rice.
Okay.
And with the suka. And with the with the potage corn. And yeah. Itadakimasu. Of course. Wala, may ketchup. I bought ketchup pala. Yeah. Kain tayo. Hi. So, it's already 3:30. And ayoko sanang umalis. Pero, magbo-blower na si Rocky. Hindi niya na ako maririnig. Bye! See you later! Konnichiwa! Oh.
Mga badahan yun.
Yeah. Although it's cold today, pero I have my hair like this because I'm lazy. I don't want to curl my hair. I don't have time for that, you know? Kasi, wala, hapon na. It's almost 4 and I really don't wanna go out because it's raining. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Oh, asa ta? Ato ta sa Daiso.
Extension asa man sa
Daiso
PS.
man to. Diba? Daiso. Na may taas nga Daiso. Di na heavy duty. Di na heavy duty ilang extension. Moment to ang nag-deliver sa gabi. Batanon, diba? May ano Yamato delivery. Hi everybody! We are home from outside. Hala! 7 o'clock na pala. I did not know. Ang bilis naman. Nandun pa kasi ako sa labas ni ano. May muta. Yeah, may muta. Nandun ako sa labas kasi nandoon si Margo. Ang tagal namin kasi siya lang mag-isa. Tapos gusto niyang binibeli-belly rub siya. Si Margo. Ano nga pala guys, I went to Daiso and guess what? May mask na sa Daiso. Yeah, may mask na doon. Eto, 3 pieces. Tagdi 3 pieces lang pero yeah, 3 pieces lang kasi yeah, 3 pieces tapos 108 yen. Hako yen lang to. Mura na kasi yung sa mga drugstore nasa ano kasi siya eh. Yung nasa Genki 5 pieces tapos 398, diba? 5 pieces 398. So ito is 100 yen tapos pero yun nga lang din 1 pack pa lang din yung binibenta. Pwede mong bilhin per person, 1 pack lang din. Hindi pwedeng ano bumili ng maramihan. Before, parang eto din to, non-woven mask. Ito, before yung 30 pieces yata. 30 pieces dati is 100 yen. But now, since, medyo, unsay tawagan na parang, I cannot find my words. I cannot find my words. Basta, kulang yung production ng mask. Saan ba to galing? Where's this Daiso Industries? Parang wala. Saan ba galing yung Daiso? Hindi ba to? Japan naman na. Japan. Japan yata. Hindi naman nakasulat made in China. Yeah, das Poland. Basta. Eto, yung mask ng guys. So, marami na. So, marami na talagang mga, binibentang mask lately. Like, if you go to drugstore, marami. Pero, yun nga lang, medyo may kamahalan compared sa dati na price ng mask. But, at least, may mask na hindi na ako mahihirapang mag-line. Like, waking up 5 o'clock or 4:30 in the morning just to line up to get mask, no? So, if you are really in need of mask, then you could buy mask na. Pero yun nga, like I've said, medyo may kamahalan konti, but okay na yun kaysa walang mabiling mask. Ayan, so happy to get this one. FYI lang sa mga hindi pa alam, may mask na sa Daiso. And also, we went to Shimamura, may mask din sila doon. Pero mahal. Magkano yun? 700, no? 3 pieces? 5 pieces?
500, like 1,000, ay,
Ha?
700.
790, di ba?
5 pieces.
5 pieces. Oh, mahal. Sa Shimamura. Shimamura yun. Yan lang. I guess that's it. Kasi wala naman ako masyadong binili from Daiso. Binili lang kami ng extension wire doon. Tapos, ayun. Yan. Just say.